Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Monday, January 5th. Desks are back to being fully staffed. Everyone's back from the holidays. We didn't have a ton of trades. We only had one trade. Was picked up 17.1 pips, but adjusted for size, that's equivalent to about 4.2 pips. May have chased it a little bit, and that's one of the reasons why we got out. It did pull in a little bit harder once we got out. But the euro's gotten hit so hard, it's like you don't want to get caught in a bounce. There was no real economic news to speak of, so the sell-off in the euro is just being driven, by the built-up of the anxiety to get out of it. Traders being back on their desk and wanting to take care of that anxiety. The whole street was looking for the euro to US dollar to go down to the figure of 1.20, which it did, and then broke through it. It was a big debate for a while. The street was looking for 1.2, but what would it do at 1.2? Would it bounce? Would it break through it? Well, it busted through. Actually went down to 1.18 and change. It's currently about 1.1921. We didn't trade it. We had no intention to trade it. Just that psychological barrier of 1.20. It was a crapshoot once it got there. It was either going to bounce hard or break through it hard, and we got the answer. The answer was it broke through it hard, but we were not going to be involved in that trade. But we did have euro to yen trade at about 25% of our normal size. Like I said earlier, we picked up 17.1 pips, equivalent to about 4.2. You can see what I mean when I said it feels like we kind of chased a little bit. Our signal was to go short if it broke 142.800, which it did. We got short 142.797. Again, we watched it come all the way down. Well, this was overnight. We weren't watching it, but when we came in this morning, we could see it hit. This is a 100-pip move. It had come down, and we're not looking to short it until it takes on 142.80. So you're talking a 120-pip move from up here overnight, 4 o'clock in the morning. So felt a little, again, like we were chasing a little bit. We covered 142.626, pretty much where it is right now. You see the little spike down. I don't know if I don't remember seeing it spike down that low. I did see it trade into the 50s, the low to mid 50s. I don't remember seeing the spike down, so this could be a bad print there. But regardless, I think we had a pretty decent out. She could try to hold here, settle in, and then maybe bounce. Or our target is for it to go down to the figure of 142 even. And if it takes that out, it could really run down to 140.50 or thereabouts. So, but we're going to take it real quick. 17.1 pips, again, equivalent to 4.2. And we'll just move on. If our signal was to short it, more like up in this area, the mid 143s, it would have been, we would have been looking to get out 143, maybe piece out of 143, and then look to cover the rest if it breaks down or push, or push on the second half or whatever, however we were going to piece it out. But unfortunately, the signal was not that. The signal was 142.80. So we'll take it. We'll move on. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. Like I said, not a lot of economic news out there last night or early this morning. So we'll check the calendar and we'll see what tonight gives us and tomorrow morning gives us. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. We'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action. And as stated earlier, if you're still trading now, good luck.